brightness, luminescence, vibrant skin. This is Dr. Newman's last formulation, designed exclusively for Jeunesse. I have the great honor on behalf of Dr. Newman to share with you the wonderful features of our new flawless skin brightener. To understand the magic benefit of this product, let's first understand the biology of skin color. Why our skin have different colors? Mainly because of the amount of melanin in our skin. Human beings come in a glorious spectrum of different colors: light, dark, plain or freckly skin, black, brunette, blonde, auburn, and white hairs, and eyes that are blue, hazel, green, amber, and brown, just to name a few. So, what is melanin? Melanin is a pigment. This pigment is produced from an amino acid called tyrosine. Melanin is packed and stored in small containers called melanosomes. And those small containers are located inside a special cell called melanocyte. When it is needed, melanosomes are transported to the skin cell, which is called keratinocyte. And then keratinocyte containing melanosome move to the skin surface, giving the color to the skin. So we have at least 3 kinds of different melanins coloring 3 different tissues. Melanin for the hairs, melanin for the color of the eyes, and melanin for the color of the skin. By the way, gray hair contains very few melanin granules spread out through the hair. White hairs contain no melanin at all. Their whiteness is an optical effect due to the way they reflect the light. So why are we born with different skin color? Because it's what is called polygenic inheritance, which means that multiple genes collectively influence the genetic expression of the color. Skin color, finally, depends upon the size, number, shape, and distribution of melanosomes. And there are 6 different types of skin. Type 1 skin, which always burn and never tan. This is a skin associated with red or blonde hair and freckles. The type 2 skin burn easily and tans minimally. The type 3 skin sometimes burn and gradually tan. The type 4 skin has minimum burning and always tans. The type 5 skin seldom burns, always tans. And finally, the type 6 skin never burns, but tans very, very darkly. The main function of melanin is to protect our skin and our DNA from UV damages. Melanin reduces UV-induced DNA damage by absorbing the UV radiation that otherwise will have been absorbed by the DNA. This prevents the development of melanoma, a potentially deadly form of skin cancer, as well as other health problems related to exposure to strong solar radiation. Skin is alive, so when melanin is destroyed by UV radiation, the skin responds to this damage by producing more melanin, replacing what has been lost and increasing the percentage of melanin in the skin. And this melanin has two effects: acting as a barrier to protect the skin from further damages and darkening the natural color of the skin. So let's go back to product. With all the different products available in the marketplace, choosing the right one can be difficult. Before making a choice and starting a daily regimen, we need to figure out which product that we need to use. Currently, we can select between brightening, whitening, or lightening creams. Skin whiteners are generally not a good choice. Unless a skin whitener is prescribed by a dermatologist, we should avoid using them. This technique uses some kind of harsh bleach to strip all or most of the pigment out of the skin. This irritates the skin and can even cause portions of the skin to be discolored. Most of the lightening cream are made with a chemical called tyrosinase inhibitors. This active ingredient stops an enzyme in the skin from producing melanin. And without melanin, the skin cannot darken in the sunlight. So individuals have to be careful about sun exposure because melanin and tannin are actually how the skin protects itself from the sun. Brightening agents are designed to give a natural, vivid radiance to the skin. The skin is continuously creating new skin cells to replace the dead one. Often, these older skins remain on the skin surface and can cause it to appear dull and old. Skin brightening can help individuals improve the way their skin naturally shed dead skin cells. It is called luminescence. So what are the major active ingredients of FSB? There are 7 major ingredients which all work in synergy. So, what are the key benefits of FSB? FSB help maintaining the appearance of a bright skin tone for luminous complexion. It helps reduce and prevent the appearance of dark spots, uneven skin tone, and discoloration. Luminesce Flawless Skin Brightener, or FSB, is good for all skin color, for all skin types, and for all skin areas on body. FSB has no animal product, no peeling or irritation, no strong chemical or drying acids, no paraben, no acne-causing oils, no hydroquinone, and no sun sensitivity. How to use it? In morning and evening, just after the serum. FSB is one of the most spectacular and efficient products on the market. See you for your next episode. Bye bye.